Does your enterprise have visibility on application performance? Logging is an essential part of software development. It helps in generating a detailed set of events that occur within the applications or servers. Datadog is a tracking service for cloud-scale applications. It provides monitoring of servers, databases, applications, tools, and services, through a SaaS-based data analytics platform. The Datadog Mule integration is an agent-based integration. This helps to collect metrics from MuleSoft products and uploads them into Datadog. You can use these metrics to take advantage of the out-of-the-box dashboards to monitor or create your own visualizations. At Royal Cyber, we are excited to deliver innovations to empower everyone to create connected experiences. With Datadog's powerful features, we are steering towards the dream of enabling the next level of monitoring. For more information, you can email us at info@royalcyber.com or visit www.royalcyber.com.